Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Megan.
And I'm Ciera, and we are so excited to be working with FabFitFun for today's video. They just released their brand new winter box, and if you guys aren't sure what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box, so it comes out 4 times a year, and it's available in the US, Canada, and the UK.
So each box comes with full-size lifestyle, wellness, beauty, and fashion-related products. It's also a really great deal, so each box is $49.99, but they always come with over $200 in value, so you're definitely getting a really good deal.
Plus, if you want an additional $10 off, you can use our code MeganCiera.
Yeah, it's on the screen.
Yeah. FabFitFun also gives you the option now to customize a few of the items that you get in your box, so we're going to show you what we got in ours.
I'm so excited. Let's do this.
Alright, so we haven't looked in the box
I'm so excited to see what's in it.
So we're going to kind of do the grand reveal with you guys.
How cute.
So first of all, I love that their boxes are like so cool and like their design, like it's different for every season. So let's start seeing what we've got. Alright, so we have some magazines and some coupons, I think, that they put in the beginning of the box. They also give you some gift cards and stuff. So this is a $90 HelloFresh gift card. That's pretty crazy. Like,
HelloFresh is good
This
too.
whole box was literally $50.
And then we've also got a gift card for Sterling Forever Shine Bright jewelry. So
and then just another.
Alright, time to get into the real unpackaging.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the first item. It is a candle. I've literally been telling Megan, I was like, I think we should get some candles to like liven the place up. It is a Jonathan Adler candle, and I'm going to totally mess up how you say this, but it's Fleur de Sel, I believe is how you say it.
That's how I would say it.
So we're going to go ahead and take this out. So this is what the candle looks like. I love how it's just like a simple white design.
That's actually so cute.
So it just goes like anywhere, and I can already smell it.
I know,
it
smells
lit.
It smells so good. I am so picky with the scents, and I'm usually like, I just really like nice, fresh, clean smells. That's exactly what that is. So I personally love it.
Very
I'm not
fresh
a huge,
and clean.
I'm not a huge like sweets candle kind of person, so that's really, really nice.
Yeah, definitely love this. It's nice and simple. I think it, like, anyone would like the smell. It's not specific to just like one person.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take out the next item. What do we have? So we have the original pink makeup eraser, erase all makeup with just water. Interesting. So it says, bye-bye makeup wipes forever. So it looks like it's pretty much just a makeup wipe replacement. How environmentally friendly.
Yeah.
That's actually so nice.
Yeah.
I
like honestly buy like makeup wipes all the time, and you just like, I try and reuse my makeup wipes. So I try and be like a little environmentally conscious, but like just using this and not having to like keep buying stuff is really great. And then I think you just wash this after a couple uses probably, so.
Nice.
And it's very soft.
It is soft. It also mentions that it is cruelty-free, dermatologist approved, and so it's also vegetarian and vegan friendly.
Perfect. Nice. Another thing that we like about FabFitFun is that they partner with charities and women-owned companies, so you know that your money is going to a great cause, whether it's different charities or supporting women. So we love that, and you get to experience a lot of different cool products that you probably wouldn't have otherwise. So I'm going to pull up the next product, and it is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. I need this. I feel like I'm always in the market for like a good detangler because I don't like to use a lot of product in my hair, but like if there's one thing that I'm using, it's just like a detangling spray. It's like
Ciera literally has like a children's detangler, and so this will be a nice grown-up version
little
of
stepping
that.
point for me.
I love detangler. I think it smells good, and I think that it also just makes your hair easier to brush out. So it's something that I don't ever like go buy myself. So now that we just like have it. Also, just to give you guys another idea of how good of a deal this whole box is, I looked up how much this was just on its own. Some places sell it for $23, and it's the exact same size.
Is $49.99. So like this is like half of what the box costs. And we're also gonna go ahead and smell it for you. So
kind of another one of those, like it's like a little sweeter but still like fresh.
It kind of gives me like spa type of vibes, which I guess makes sense because it's from Drybar.
Alright, next product is a Bando, I think that's how it's pronounced, Bluetooth shower speaker. This is so like,
necessary.
I just asked for this for Christmas, so I almost feel like now I have to like give it to Ciera because I might be getting one for Christmas now. But who knew that like something I literally asked for and needed was gonna come in the box.
So I'm excited for this because I have like started to take my phone in the shower to like listen to music or podcast, and obviously I like set it up to the side so it doesn't like get any water damage. But I would love
not loud. Like on a phone.
I would love to be able to just like bring this in, and look, there's a suction cup on it. You can just put it on the wall of like your shower, or like you don't even need to like use it in the shower. You can just put it wherever you want in your house if you just like want a speaker.
Plus look at how cute this like floral pattern is, and then also comes with a charging cable.
Like that is so good. I can like put my phone outside of my shower and then just hook it up via Bluetooth. Really?
There's a phone on here, so
I don't know. probably a variety of things you can do, but I'm so excited to use that because like this is something that I literally
Ciera's gonna
need.
go hook this up after we're done recording.
Like tonight, I need it. Alright, so the next product is the Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner, and I'm pretty sure how this works because I've seen it online. It's for like when you're doing your makeup and you're like using the same brush but you want to switch colors.
Oh, that's
so you
handy.
just rub your brush on here. It literally has like the steps on the back. It's like 3
it's
simple
just
steps.
glide makeup brush against the color switch, sponge in a circular motion to remove color. No liquid or cleaner needed. Color switch is reusable. Simply wash with soap and water.
Yeah.
And then lay flat to dry.
It feels really cool. Like that doesn't really matter, but like it just feels cool.
It's like a black spongy material.
Every time I'm doing my like eyeshadow or something, I use like the same eyeshadow brush for everything. So I like try and just like either use my finger or like rub it against like the palette. So this would be a much better thing to use than my own fingers.
Alright, next thing that we have in this box is the, I'm gonna really mess up this name probably, Cuccio Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Oh, nice. Has lavender oil in it. Very nice, very subtle.
I also really like Epsom salt just because like
Yeah.
I know for us especially like we have eczema, and so like salt is just like good for our skin. So
sensitive skin, Epsom salt is good. I used to take many Epsom salt baths, so it's nice to see that they're incorporating a really good ingredient into this as well.
Alright, so the next thing that we have is the Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer by Rodial, I think is the brand. And so we're gonna go ahead, take this out. Oh, she cute!
I love how, I guess this isn't necessarily a serum, but I love these bottles so much. It's like a glass bottle.
Like frosted glass, and so it looks really nice.
Also, I just looked up how much this costs on its own. I'm seeing it for sale for $23, $25. So again, you're really getting your money's worth with this box.
I also wanted to point out, because if you guys know, we don't wear a ton of face makeup, and I know most people use primers to prime their face before they put on their makeup. So I was just kind of looking at what else you could maybe use it for, and it says apply 2 drops and pat into a clean dry face and use before makeup as the ultimate illuminating primer, or use on its own for a dewy complexion. So I will definitely potentially be adding this to my morning get ready routine because, you know, sometimes I just want to like spice my face up a little bit,
fresher,
feel a little glowier. So this could be the perfect thing to add.
It's like a pearly
light translucent pink. Obviously, I'm sure like once you rub it into your skin, the color is probably gone, but leaves a little bit of
that
glow.
dewiness. All right, we are on to our very last thing of the box. So let's see what we've got. So this is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. Look how cute this packaging is. So then you slide the sleeve off. Oh, those are good colors.
That is so us.
These are good colors.
Like Megan and I, like when we do wear eyeshadow, it's totally like this color palette. So if you guys have seen like us with like our little e.l.f. eyeshadow palette that we've like had for forever,
it has all of those like warm shimmery tones.
Like,
I like some
nudes
shimmer
and browns. So this is like literally like the
so
glow up
good.
version of like that eyeshadow palette, and like I think we're probably gonna be fighting over this palette.
Yeah, it's nice quality too. Like little magnet to keep it shut.
Oh, I love
There's like,
it.
okay,
So
rice pudding, bread pudding, chia pudding, butterscotch. Like, how cute are those names?
yeah, and like also just like the packaging itself is so cute. Okay, so we are currently in my bathroom. We're going to show you guys us using some of these products, how we would use them. So we are both wearing a little bit of makeup from filming the video, so we're going to first take it off, and we're going to use the little makeup cloth. There it comes. It's working pretty good. It's not like leaving any smudges on my skin. It's kind of weird because I think every girl has tried to take her makeup off with like just a rag and water like at least once.
Yeah, and it doesn't work, but
Yeah.
then this is working.
So it's kind of trippy. So we both just took our makeup off with this rag. We obviously only used like this tiny little portion, so you definitely have some rag to work with before you have to wash it again, which I think is really nice. But I think we both, like our makeup came off.
Yeah, no
very
smears.
good. So we're going to go ahead and take the primer now and make our faces look all nice. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the primer on. Bear with me, guys. I have not really used anything like this, so we'll just see how it goes. Just add a few drops. So I'm going to do a few on each cheek and then kind of pat it in. Because I see this kind of more as like nice glowy cheeks for me, hopefully. So I'm going to go ahead, pat it in, rub it in. And so again, if you're doing like a full face of makeup, you can put this all over your face and use it as a normal primer. And it's getting like a nice little like soft, dewy glow, which is exactly what it promised.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and use these two products. So we've got the color switch here and then the eyeshadow palette right here. I'm going to try and create an eyeshadow look. Bear with me, I'm not a makeup artist. And then I'm also just going to be using this one eyeshadow brush, and I'll be using the color switch between colors to make sure that my brush is kind of ready for the next color and doesn't have any other previous colors on it. Alright, so I'm going to be taking Spiced Caramel. That's going to be the color that I'm going to put all over my lid. And then I'm going to do Warm Cocoa on the outer crease. And then I'm going to do the color Butterscotch as like an eyebrow highlight color. So let's see how this works. So I just finished doing the eyeshadow look. I'm definitely no makeup artist, but I do think the colors had good payoff. So if you're better at makeup than I am, then I think you'll really like this palette. So that concludes our unboxing. Don't forget to sign up now so you still have the chance to customize some of your favorite products that you get in the box.
I am so happy with the products that we got. I feel like it was literally like for us.
Yeah.
Like, I think my favorite thing was probably the Bluetooth speaker, and then also like that new eyeshadow palette really just like
I also
came at the
think
end.
that the eyeshadow palette is one of my favorites. The Bluetooth speaker, except like I'm gonna let you have it. And like I can see that you're getting so much more value in the box than what you're paying for the box. So
plus it's like a little
recommend it.
present to yourself. Like 4 times a year you like get to go check your mail and you're just like, oh my god, like it's all this fun stuff, and like you got to try new products, and like it is such a great deal. Again, to make it a better deal, use our code Ciera for $10 off your first box.
Thank you so much to FabFitFun for partnering with us in today's video.
We hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!